Hello viewers, in this video I will tell you how you can check Wi-Fi password through a QR code. If there is Wi-Fi connected in my mobile, I will extract the Wi-Fi password and show it to you through the QR code. First of all, open your Wi-Fi settings. Now you have to click on the Wi-Fi connected in your mobile. Now you can see that QR code is visible here on my screen. I will take a screenshot of this QR code. Now you have to open Chrome browser in your mobile. Now you have to search here, QR code scanner online. Now you have to click on this top website. After opening the website, a display like this appears. Now you have to click on the scan now. Now here you have to upload the screenshot of the QR code you upload on this website. This ad will come close. This ad. Now here you have to scroll the page. And now you can see here that this website has shown us the Wi-Fi password. You all have taken the Wi-Fi password. But if you like the video, subscribe the channel, like the video. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.